Samsung's hottest products are here. Literally everything about the Unpacked is out. We've got the real hands-on of the Fold 4 and the Flip 4, plus official marketing material confirming everything, including what I told everyone before anyone else, that Samsung has indeed used a new under-display camera on the Fold 4. We also know the official weight of the Fold 4, official camera specs and features, plus the mega surprising battery upgrade for the Flip 4. First up, let's take a look at the hands-on images. So here's the Flip 4 with a almost similar design to the Flip 3, and here is the Fold 4. The biggest change that you can see right away is the outer screen. It is actually decently big in real life, not quite smartphone width, but still seems to be a noticeable change over the Fold 3. This change will allow us to use third-party apps, especially Instagram and Snapchat, with more ease. Now looking at the main display, we have the first look at the crease, and yes, it is still here. Seems like it's pretty much the same as the Fold 3. This might be a bit of a disappointment for some of you guys, but again, when the display is in use, you don't really notice it as much. Plus, it's the only foldable out there with a UDC on the main screen. Yes, the brand new under-display camera brings an even more uninterrupted experience thanks to the 132 ppi compared to 94 of the previous UDC. Now, as for the back, you can see the design is very similar to the Fold 3, but cameras are indeed pro level. We've got the Galaxy S22 Plus setup here, 50 megapixel main GN5, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 3x optical zoom, which actually expands up to 30x space zoom. We also get similar camera features as the S22 series, like Nightography, enhanced optical image stabilization with the night video thanks to auto frames per second, plus higher quality images in low light thanks to bigger pixels. Overall, the camera setup is looking like a good upgrade over the Galaxy Z Fold 3. However, the Flip 4 will not be getting the S22 Plus cameras. In fact, it's actually using a custom 12 megapixel sensor with bigger pixels and a brand new ultra wide angle lens. Flip 4 does have a huge battery upgrade, which is coming at 3700 mAh. It's about 12% bigger than the Z Flip 3 with 4 hours more battery usage. Samsung also brings faster 25-watt fast charging, which was indeed one of the most crucial upgrades that were needed. Let me know what you think about the official leaks and the hands-on images. Now, don't let the foldables distract you from the fact that the most pro battery is coming. The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is also confirmed to have 590 mAh battery, which will give you nearly 80 hours of battery life, twice of what we had on the previous Watch 4. And finally, we have the official images of the Buds 2 Pro with improved ANC and 360-degree audio. So that's all the latest Unpacked leads. What do you think about the fall lineup, and what's your favorite product out of all of these? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. With that being said, I'll see you later. Peace out.